Hi guys, we got the wonderful news in today's Times of India newspaper that MBA hiring is all set to pick up, return to the pre-pandemic level as per the GMAC survey. So that's the biggest news which is coming. So all the best for that and congratulations for that. And we've also touched 50,000, 250,000 subscriber. So thank you very much for being the family, part of the family. So hope to do better this year. So MB hiring soon will be out of the pandemic lull. The report released on Thursday stated that the corporate recruiters are very robust, are looking the very robust. 9 out of the 10 companies are expecting to increase or remain stable in the next 5 years. Fine, they're expecting an increase or a stability in the job salaries, jobs and all. So highest 37% of the companies who were surveyed, this is as per the survey conducted by GMAC, 37% said that they're expecting an increase in the demand as compared to last year. Fine, 30% or more, and half of them from the Europe have given their views about this. 37% is a huge number, which is in support of this. Out of the 529 companies who participated in the survey, and expected average salary also to go up. This is as per the survey done in USA. So of course, India also will be facing a similar thing, and we can see that also. Yeah, look around you. I think that's the best way to see that, because market have to, the moment if your family is into business, talk to your dad कि dad जब ये pandemic खत्म होगा जब, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि market कहाँ जाएगा? तो dad of course will say कि market ऊपर जाएगा. So I'm giving a very simple example, very layman example कि market have to recover, of course. Fine. And whenever the pandemic have happened, the market have recovered at a very faster rate. Yeah, I'll make a video on that as well. Two things have done. One, number one, economic recovery have been very, very fast, faster than the non-pandemic time. Whenever there's been a pandemic. Second thing, always the government have been toppled. So this we have to see कि government के साथ क्या होता है. But yeah, from the market point of view, of course, stock market already recovered. Stock market is always one step ahead of what is going to happen. Other things also recovered. So especially you're the percentage, the jump 44% more than decade. The portion of surveyed planning to hire MBA have grown from 44% to 86%. Yeah, the people companies going to hire, earlier only 44% companies said they're going to hire MBA. Now 86% of the company are saying they'll hire MBA. Okay, and in US from 56% to 94%. So they can see a uptrend in the demand of MBA, and it will have a ripple effect on India as well. Okay, so but the only condition now left is what will happen in wave 3. All eyes are on wave 3. Trust me, yaar. If you ask me, are you investing more money into seat taking? I'll say, yaar, I'll just wait for the next 1 month. For example, today only we are doing talks to start a center in Chandigarh, in Bangalore, in Kolkata, and Delhi. These are the 4 centers coming up, which is the plan pipeline, but all depend on wave 3. ठीक है, so अपना पूरा game wave 3 के ऊपर है. So we have to wait and watch for that. Okay. So if you talk about the top colleges, market was recession was never there. If you talk about the top 10, top 20 colleges, but market will recover. ठीक है. अभी जो लोग MBA करने घुसे हैं ना, the 21 batch, 2021 and 23 batch, this I think is the most luckiest batch. इनके टाइम पे competition भी कम था, सब ठीक था. Now even 22, 24 batch have that advantage as well. Mean those are going to give CAT now will be going for CAT 22, will be joining in 22 24 batch. This also very lucky because आपका भी competition थोड़ा कम होने वाला है. But again, all depend upon wave 3. ठीक है, so let's wait and watch for that. आपको क्या लगता है? Please do comment how the market will recover. ठीक है, see right now the market is down everywhere यार. If you see today MBA is down, I would say MBA क्या, engineering क्या, medical, ठीक है, medical तो obviously is up, engineering क्या, BCom क्या, BMS, everybody is down यार. All the classes happening online, so market is down everywhere as of today. Yeah, but we're looking at the future. Market set to pick up, will pick up. Okay, all the best.